Okay, we're gonna fry some green tomatoes to put on our hamburgers. We'll fry some home fries that we cut up from potatoes, and we left the skins on the potatoes. And we're gonna fry them, and I don't know what else. Okay, we got our fries. We washed them, cut them up, left the skins on, and we dried them off with paper towel. Okay, we got our pound of organic hamburger. We got some Clover Valley cheese. We're going to put 4 ounces of cheese. One-eighth of a teaspoon of black pepper. One-eighth of a teaspoon of salt. They can put more if they want it. Okay, let me make my patties out. My skillet's getting hot here. Let me spray my skillet. Put a little bit of oil in my skillet. Turn my skillet down now to 6. We'll be back. Okay, in this fat black skillet back here, our iron skillet, all we're going to do is dip it in some flour and fry it, because we're not going to put no egg or nothing in it. It's just going to go on our burgers. So it don't need to be fancy. We put a little bit of oil in it, and that's all we're going to do. We ain't going to make no fancy tomatoes. All right, wash our tomatoes. Cut them up. We're going to fry about 5 or 10 minutes on each side. Depends if they get brown or not. Nothing special. Just a fast and easy lunch today. Comment down below. Let me know what y'all having today. We just been eating out of the garden for the last 2 weeks. That's all we've been doing. Mostly eating zucchini and yellow squash for lunch or dinner, either one. Nothing special. We've ate a few good stuff, but this is what we've been doing most of the time. And y'all don't see us recording nothing. We've been eating just out of the garden and loving it. We don't have to buy nothing from the store. We ain't been having much meat. Meat's getting too expensive to buy right now. You might be able to afford a hot dog or something like that. That's what we've been doing. Hope y'all enjoy this meal. Home fries are the best. 10 minutes and it's done. Okay, we got a hamburger with cheese inside and cheese on the outside with mayo and 2 pieces of bread. We got some squash fried and we got some home fries. That's going to be our supper. Okay, we're going to try a bite of everything, then we're going to go sit down and eat. Hot, hot, hot. Mmm. Green tomato. Dust squash. On our, has tomatoes on it. Fried green tomatoes. Thanks for watching.